Hello, you're welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, we're going to be looking at the topic that says the Hebrew language of the Igbo people in episode 3, the words Karet and Yod. In the last installment of this video, we were able to look at the word kum and kum and see how this particular Hebrew word has, generated more than 100 words in the Hebrew of Igbo, okay? Now, the words we'll be looking at in this video is Karet and Yod, as I mentioned earlier. Now, karet, these are all the meanings of karet as you will get in the Hebrew of Judea today. There are several meanings. The ones we took for this video are cut, cut off, make, cut down, in bracket, destroy, unalive, make into writing, eliminate, or wipe off. Okay, we are going to be looking at its application within the Hebrew of Igbo. And in that sense, we'll take the first verb. This is a verb actually, okay? So the word to mean cut, the word to mean cut. Now, if you come into the Igbo language, the simplest or one of the ways of representing cut in a very, very simple and basic way is ka. The word is ka, okay? So that's like an absolute form of the word cut, ka. Now, the way we use it in the Igbo language, you can say ka, you can say kawa. It's used to mean to cut something. It can mean to incise, it can mean to slice, it can mean to slash. So these are degrees of intensity. So you can go from just a slight cut to a very, very heavy slash. All is actually talking about cutting, okay? Now, this word, as we have just explained, is actually the basis for the word hand in the Igbo language. The word for hand is aka, most commonly. Aka is the word. Now, with you understanding now that this word actually means to cut, you can then understand that the older igbos meant for the hand to be a cutter. They refer to the hand as a cutter. Now we'll go down to another meaning. Another meaning of the word karet is to cut off. In the Hebrew of Judea, it means to cut off. Now you come into the Hebrew of Igbo. The word for cut off, though they are diverse words, one of the words is kapo. Kapo. Maybe in a business environment, you can tell somebody, India kapo lumego. That means you are trying to tell the other person, these people cut off a lot of money from me. Or more like these people ripped me off, okay? So we'll go down. The word also means to make. In the Hebrew of Judea, it means to make something, okay? Now coming into the Hebrew of Igbo, the word means to construct things. It has to do with constructing, it has to do with craft. Also, we use it in the sense that an Igbo person can tell you, Iga katanwiyem bunobi. Iga katanwiyem bunobi. That is, can you make a guess of what I have in mind? So kata is actually used to refer to making a guess, okay? Also, in another